consumer buying behaviors also have been changing, ladies and gentlemen. That is because now even my own house, now we don't really look at now luxurious kind of lifestyles. I think we like to manage what is with the available resources. We like to help each other. We like to help our neighbor. So, but that is, I think, our mindset is being changed now. So, therefore, we will certainly look at the restricting our unnecessary spending, which is important. And as a result, I think there will be a lot of researches being done through these kind of things to see what type of the spending patterns we should have. Now you as an entrepreneur, you must look at and see if you have the different, you have to look at and see your customer behaviors, and then you have to look at and see where you are going to heading. That is important. And when you look at banking and financial services, always we look at mobile banking, telebanking, and online banking, digital financial solutions. Those are the way forward under new normal, because it has been happening. Even my own bank is no doubt that is we are the best digital banking solution provider. And we have come out with about 45 types of the applications, apps. So now, when time to come, we also expect customers not to come to branches, but to do all their transactions through their palm tops, which is very important. Now that's happening. So look at the way things are. The patterns are going to be changed. Even insurance companies, life and general insurance. Now people, even the average people will look at now having insurance policies, even a small policy, which is important. And e-commerce and online delivery, I think you can see now everything. Even if I want to have a packet of let us say lunch or dinner, we just go through the app and then we order. We never had it. People within no second, we can have our stuff. So your groceries, everything is now being basically organized, ordered through that, and you pay about 100 to 150 rupees additional. Imagine the advantage. So those are, you can see how things are evolving. As a result, we will have, you gentlemen, ladies, will have, especially SMEs, will have a lot of opportunities, and tech savvy industries will have a lot. Education, you can see. Now, education, everything is going to be online. So don't you feel that we will have some kind of opportunities, like people like Abbas? I know now, I'm sure that, you will be the happiest person when it comes for the IT sector. And marketing opportunities, marketing mix will be changed. I think that is very important. We are talking about P4 and all that. Now you can see whether people are interested in anymore about the package or whatever it is. No, place is important. No, the place will be at your home. I think everything will be, now I don't care about the packet or the design. I need stuff at my home. So those, I think, will be the game changer. That's important. And looking at from the BOI and other places, they are talking about manufacturing sector is important, ICT sector, tourism, agri and food processing is important, and infrastructure and other the industries are important. And we do have fair labor practices in Sri Lanka, because that is because ethical sourcing is there in Sri Lanka, I think, compared to our neighbors. And we also do have fairly large amount of tax holidays and tax incentives and all that for whatever the now you had to select you need to be smart enough to select your proper venture. And there are enough other opportunities given for world-class kind of hotels, medical, tourism, wellness, and those are on board, which is very important. And ICT sector, I think now the Abbas then never expected that ICT sector to give in the 0% corporate tax. 0% corporate tax for 10 years. Isn't that something welcoming? Imagine. But you need to make sure that you have a proper setup to do this kind of thing. And policy changes also recently, there had been certain fundamental or the major paradigm shift in certain policies. Now I'm talking about organic fertilizer, which is a must. which is a must. Now, even last week, let me say, I have met at least about 10 or 15 entrepreneurs, existing ones and new ones, who are going to expand their businesses to manufacture organic fertilizer. Isn't that something that, okay, even at your own level, small scale, that we should be able to do it? Because now bankers are there to provide. Even my own bank came out with, within 3 days from the announcement, we came out with the product called Sarabhumi, and there's a huge demand for that. Now, Port City will certainly provide a lot of significant opportunities for real estate investors and the key infrastructure buildings and things that, which I think we will discuss later. So those are some of the very, very important things I must tell you, including now if you take logistics. And if you take now, logistics is another thing, because now the hub, port is, I think we are one of the best, or rather in the world. I think we are 11th best connected port in the world, which is very important, and fastest growing, obviously. So manufacturing site, there are large ones, the announced by the BOI. Some areas is, the manufacturing, printed circuit boards and all that. Those are very, you don't need to have hundreds and hundreds of people. If you have the real, real, the systems in place, I'm sure, with limited people, you can. Medical devices, imagine now, because of this COVID, this will certainly continue. And people will also, they get used to use, the rubber gloves, mask and things like that for some years. So why not be serious? Look at about gloves, syringe, saline, drug manufacturing. Now, drug manufacturing, mind you, I'm talking about the medicine, and there are buyback guarantees. There are buyback guarantees for 20 years. It's not small, the 20 years, with even state-owned participation for 10%, the capital, which is important. So we will have to look at that kind of opportunities. You take solar power. Solar power now is going to be one of the game changers. Now there are, even at provincial level, even provincial councils, they extend these solar power projects to the private sector. That is because they are going to have solar power in all their government school, hospitals, and government buildings. They are going to generate solar power, which is very important. Now, pharmaceutical zone, Hambantota is going to be Hambantota pharmaceutical zone. There's going to be about the massive one, because now at the moment Sri Lanka imports 85% of their required drugs, medicine, from overseas. So now they are going to have about 400 hectare zone for you to, at least grab some kind of opportunities for this. Don't you feel that these are something that you must seriously think, which is very, very important? So, tax regime, I was talking about only for, the IT, but still, there are agro-processing. I think tax rate is now 18%. Service sector is 14%. Any others 18%. And tax holidays, you have 7 to 10 years. These are the things that, we must, as entrepreneurs, we must seriously look at. So, I mean, those are things I wanted to take you through about the opportunities we have, because conducive environment. The bankers are there to provide any amount of, the facilities at a very concessional rate. And if you go to BOI, there you can see what kind of opportunities, business opportunities available. Please look at. If not, even you can come to me. I will, that I will guide you, what to do, how to do, and things like that. So even, of course, certain things I do at I am free of charge, as the social responsibility. So in there, I think that's what I wanted to tell you. If there's anything that I can tell, anything else, please let me know. Thank you.
So thank you very much, Mr. Giovanni. It was a great insight into investment. Actually, you not only talked about investment, you talked about taxes, interest rates, policies, and all. Thank you so much. So I'm sure the audience might be having questions to us from Mr. Rajapaksa. Don't worry, we will be answering all of those questions in the Q&A session. And please be kind enough to type your questions in the chat box so it will be much easier for us to answer your questions accordingly.